All right, so if you've tried making AI videos lately, you know the struggle, right? Well, today we're going to break down a platform that's trying to fix all of that, aiming to be your entire creative stack for AI video. It's called Design.ai. I mean, just think about your current workflow. You want to make something cool with AI. And what happens? You're jumping between like 5 different apps, trying to make everything just fit. Sound familiar? I bet it does.
And look, the real headache here, it isn't that the tools themselves are bad, it's that none of them talk to each other. So you're stitching this with that, you blow through all your credits on one app, you're fighting some clunky, awful interface on another, and then you realize the character you spent an hour on doesn't even match the video's style. What should have been a quick little project suddenly turns into this 3-hour nightmare. And the worst part? The final video still looks like it's from 2022.
So what if we could just skip all of that? Well, that's exactly where Design.ai steps in. It's built to be the answer to all that workflow chaos.
The big idea here, the huge promise, is all about integration. We're talking video generation, super smooth lip syncing, actual character consistency, and even a chat-based image editor, all under one roof. The whole point is to stop you from jumping between a million different tabs and just let you create everything in one place.
Okay, so that's the big claim. But does it actually deliver? Let's dive in and break down the features that are supposed to make this thing so powerful.
All right, let's kick things off with a feature that honestly kind of blew me away, the lip syncing. You know how most lip sync tools are, right? They hit a wall fast. You get these robotic mouth movements, the audio starts drifting, or you end up with some seriously creepy-looking face warping. Yeah, this is not that. And what's crazy is how simple the whole process is. You just upload an image of a face, could even be a frame from a video, add your audio file, and boom, the AI generates these incredibly smooth lip movements. Seriously, the output is so clean, you'd have to squint to even guess it was made by AI. So why does this matter? Well, think about what this unlocks for you as a creator. You can spin up a talking spokesperson for your brand without ever touching a camera. Or imagine localizing your content. You just swap the audio track for a different language. You could even build an entire faceless YouTube channel with a host that looks and sounds consistent in every single video. This is a huge, huge time saver.
Okay, next up, let's talk about the second major piece of the puzzle, the video generator. And this is where Design.ai does something really smart that makes it stand out.
See, instead of just forcing you to use one single video model and hoping for the best, this platform lets you actually choose the best model for the job. And the real star of the show right now is Kling 3.0. This thing is known for its amazing motion quality and how well it keeps a scene together. For making clips that look polished and professional, that is a massive deal.
And that brings us to what is, in my opinion, the absolute glue that holds this whole thing together. We're talking about character consistency. And trust me, this is where it gets really, really cool. I mean, if you've ever spent time in Midjourney, you know this pain. You finally get that perfect character image. You run the prompt again, and it's a completely different person. Same prompt, totally different face. It's so frustrating. Well, this feature is built to solve that exact problem, once and for all. The magic behind this is an engine called, wait for it, Nano Banana 2. And yes, that is its real name. This is what gives the platform its edge. It's all about generating super high-quality, stylistically consistent visuals, so your character looks exactly the same every single time. The level of detail, the lighting, it's just a huge step up. And here's where it all clicks. This is the real power of having everything in one place. You can actually combine these tools. You create your consistent character with Nanobanana 2, then you give them a voice with the lip sync tool. And just like that, you've got a fully synthetic spokesperson. Built in minutes. No camera, no actor, no studio. It's incredible. Okay, there's one more feature I want to talk about. It's kind of the sleeper hit of the platform. It almost flew under my radar, but it is so useful. It's the chat-based image editor, and it feels less like using software and more like just having a conversation. So forget everything you know about Photoshop. No layers, no masks, no complicated tools. You literally just type what you want. Hey, remove the background. Change his shirt to blue. Can you add a mountain back there? The AI just does it. It basically makes advanced editing accessible to anybody, with like zero learning curve. So with all these powerful features packed in, the big question is, who is this really for? Let's break down who's going to get the most bang for their buck here. Okay, so if you're a content creator, especially if you run faceless channels, this is your superpower. We're talking consistent characters and perfect talking head videos without you ever having to be on camera. Now, for marketers, it's all about spinning up quick, localized video ads and promo clips in no time.
And if you're a solo creator and you are just so tired of jumping between 5 different apps to get one project done, this is going to eliminate so much friction from your life.
All right, let's wrap this up. Time for the final verdict. Is Design.ai actually worth it?
You know, for everything it does right now, Design.ai really doesn't feel like a bunch of separate AI demos cobbled together. It feels like a real, honest-to-goodness production suite. I'd say it's easily one of the most complete, most integrated AI creative tools I've tested this year, especially if you're serious about making polished video content without wasting a ton of time.
So I gotta ask you, after seeing all this, which feature would be the biggest game changer for you? Would it be the flawless lip syncing, the top-tier video generation, or those character consistency tools? Definitely drop a comment below and let me know what you think.